G'day, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all? My room is happy trashed, but I just wanted to get on because I'm doing a project here. I just received a beautiful happy mail. I'm so excited, and it's from Clayton, AL area, the US postage. And it just came. I just come home from visiting my mum in aged care, and I checked the mailbox. So today is Thursday. It's 5 minutes to 1 p.m. in the afternoon in Victoria and Melbourne area, Australia. We have different time zones in Australia, so I thought I'd let you know the time zone. So it's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm so excited. It's so cute. It's even got little stitching around. I'm just absolutely beside myself. My second happy mail ever. Oh, thank you. Let's open it together and see what we got. I know there's a bit crowded in here. Let me see. I better turn the lights on. I just got so excited. All right. And you know the rules. Open your envelopes carefully. Which way shall I open it? This way? Long ways? I don't know. Oh, this way. Yay, yay. I got the shakes. Oh, cute little stitching around there as well. Oh, my goodness. Oops. I cannot tell you. I just moved this. I started another golden book in a different way, but I'll show you that another time. Let's just do this. Oh no, I'm so excited. Hello, Lily Flower. Oh, it's really jammed in there. Oh my goodness. I hope I'm on camera. Oh, come on. Oops. There's something come out. Woo! Have a look at that in a mini. More. Oh, please don't rip. Oh, there we go. Hey! Oh, no. Look at that. I haven't even got my eyeballs on. Oh, what a fantastic idea. Oh, this is so cute. I can write lots of little things there. Wow. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just beside myself. Oh, look at this. This is... Woo! You can open this to me? I don't know. Butterflies. Oh, I so love butterflies. Oh, isn't that sweet? Oh, I love that. Oh, look at that. Is that like a hard card? Oh, that's just beautiful. It feels nice. It feels really nice. Oh, my goodness. I got the shakes. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, what's going on here? I'm not sure how this goes. Let's see. Oh, hang on. There's something happening. Oh, it's a pocket. No way. Look at that. Oh, it's like this one. What a great idea. It's really great. Should I come down a bit further? Isn't it beautiful? These are fantastic ideas. Boy, I tell you, I really got the shakes and that. They are fun. And that's a little pocket. Oh, and more up here. Oh, look at all these gorgeous little writing spots. Oh, I'm looking forward to using them. Oh, fantastic. Look at this, how it is. And that goes in there. That's really beautiful. Oh, I can't believe this. And that's a little pocket there. This is gorgeous. And what's this here? This one come out. Oh, little papers. Oh, there's a little letter. You know what? It says Betty or Patty? Oh, I got to go and put my glasses on. Hang on. Okay, I read the letter. It's gorgeous. Thank you, Betty. Betty in the US. I really appreciate it. Let's see what I can do with this. Thanks, Betty. It's very, very kind. She's got such a sense of humour in her letter. She's a sweetie. I'll just move this because this place is... I've been working on some of my journals, and when I'm working on a journal, I don't clean up. I just keep working on it until I finish. Then I clean up. I'm going to put Betty's mail, beautiful mail, in my altered flow book. Do you remember I'd done this one? I don't know if anybody remembers a while ago. Let's see. I'm not sure what the camera's doing, but anyway, it seems to be... I'll go a bit higher. My girls are running in and out. This is my altered flow book. I did a video on that one. And all sorts of happy things go in here. So I thought I'd put this beautiful mail in here. So that's for writing I use. I don't have anything in that pocket. So let's get all my goodies. There's lots of goodies. Oh, I'm still nervous. I'm shaking. I think this beautiful letter can go in this front one. So I write my little sayings, happy sayings and things. This is all the altered flow book I did. So these pages are for happy writing. Just happy thoughts. What if I put these? Oh, that's so beautiful. I don't want to. I know what I'll do. This can go here. Yep, I'll put this here and make it as a pocket as well. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Anyway, sometimes we have to sacrifice the good for the better. Yeah, so I'm just going to put, what I'll do is I'm going to put here. This is just beautiful. I come back from my mum's and she gave me a couple little things. So Truffles Delight is going through the bag, so you might hear a bit of rustling. Oh, really? Usually these are all unplugged before I do a video. Oh, I've got to find something. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm back. I got another one. Oh. There we go. So I'm going to put some here. Should I make it like a belly band? Yeah, I think so. That'll be nice. Hi, Lily. Lily's just come in. You probably could hear her prancing around. They've been wondering where I've been all morning. I've been with their Nana Kay. There we go. Come on, come out. It's a little bit cold, so everything's getting cold and clogged up here. And we're in autumn. Yeah, I'll put that here so it becomes like a belly band. Really nice. I think, which one? I'm going to have the lady here, because how's this going to come out like that? Yeah, I'm going to have the lady here, and I shall make that a pocket. There we go. So I hope you're all been well, and welcome all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you. Thank you. And beautiful comments. It's really kind of you. Yeah, we all need to just encourage each other. I know times are difficult. There we go. I think that'll be lovely there. This is just too pretty. It's really pretty. I would like this one. So that one comes out. I Aren't these great? That was such a great idea. And this will be like little scraps left over. So I'm going to make this one a pocket as well, because I could fit more little things in as we go. There we go. Oh, I can't tell you. I can't stop shaking. Thank you, Betty. I really appreciate it. There we go. So that one's going to go here. So that makes a little pocket behind as well. There we go. Little pocket. Do lots of little writing. This is lovely. I would like to put some, maybe some little corners. I'll try this. Oh, seriously, what was that? That's no good. I want a really nice corner. There we go. Beautiful corner. There we go. Whew, that's really nice. Should I put a little thingy in there? Yeah, that's a good idea too. What's a thingy? A hole. Yeah, put a little hole in it. And I'll find a nice piece of ribbon. Right there. How's that? This is lovely. Hang on. Here we go. This matches all these colours. So I'll just get this little scrap piece. Look at that. Oh, this was made for this page. Look at it all. Look. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to cut some of this. Absolutely beautiful. I still can't stop shaking. Thank you. I really love it. Okay. I'm going to just, I don't know, put it through. One side's fat and one side's little, skinny. Does it matter? No, it doesn't matter. Okay. This is gorgeous. Whew. There we go. Whoops, just pull that. Oh, that's nice. And just trim that a little. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's all just too sweet. So I've got that. What else we got? Oh, another one. I'm going to do this similar. Whoopsie daisy. Crazy Maisie. Whoopsies. What happened here? Just getting too excited. Cutting it properly. Oh, that one's lovely. What happened there? Oh, I don't know. There we go. Fix that. That's pretty. I don't know what I did there. Okay, so that's okay. That's going to be, actually can write on that. That'll be lovely. And there, I can write there too. What else I got? I'm going to stop shaking. Wonderful envelope. Keep the envelope. Look at that. I love that. Look at that. Global flower. USA. Oh. So I'm going to keep this. And because I made this like a belly band, oops, go. That can go in there. That can go in there. Now I've got these two writing pieces. Let's see if I can pull these out. That's going to be beautiful. And I got this piece as well. So I shall write on these. It's going to be nice. Okay, back in a minute. Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching, and please remember you are all special and unique in your own way, and there is someone out there that really loves you. So I hope you enjoyed my happy mail, and I'll show you what I did.